Wow, here we are, back again. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa, and this is technically my, well, I don't know when I'm putting this out. This is either my second or my third video with this really cool, or fourth or fifth. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys like the new setup. I finally figured out how this whole like autofocus thing works, and I'm like looking at myself. It's really hard to like not look at myself like in the viewfinder and like just look at the camera. So we're gonna try our best, but I'm gorgeous. Anyways, so for today's video, I watch a lot of YouTube. Clearly, I feel like we all do. And one person I watch a lot is Natalia Taylor, and she has these videos where she hires Photoshop editors to edit her prettier or sexier or something like that. And so I love watching those videos. I think she's gorgeous just the way she is, but it's always interesting to see everyone's kind of like take on what pretty or sexy or perfect looks like. And if you're new here, I'm an amputee. Here's my fake leg. So I thought I wanted to do this kind of video, but with a twist to it, and have people edit me with two real legs. So I was born without a leg anyways, so I've never had two legs. I've just grown up with a prosthetic, so I've never like seen myself with two legs. And you know, for some amputees, they like have their legs and lose them on later in life. So I think I can't even like picture myself with two legs. I just feel like it's gonna be like, what? What? So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. I went on Instagram, which is at @AlyssaQuine. Go follow me. And I did like the little poll thing, and I think I put like 4 photos, and I asked you guys which one you liked best, and y'all chose this one. So we are going to send that to the people that I do this to. I'm gonna go through a Fiverr. I use, my God, my cat is taking a shit right now. You can hear him. I think he's peeing. You ever look at your animal while they're going to the bathroom and they're just like, anyways, okay, while that's happening, I'm gonna like get this ready. Are you done, buddy? Okay, so I'm gonna move my camera so I can put my little screen record thing. Okay, let's add you. Right, welcome to my life where I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna have my little screen record thing here, and hopefully it looks good. I don't know, but okay, I have my phone here. I'm gonna put on the little screen recordy thingy, and we're gonna go to Fiverr, which I don't even know where it is. So we're gonna search it because I suck. Fiverr. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Fiverr, there we go. All right, here we go, peeps. Okay, so I don't really think it's photo editing. I think it's more Photoshop. So we're gonna look up Photoshop. We're gonna search. Okay, so I'm already seeing some good options. I don't wanna spend, like maybe another video, I'll spend like 200, 300 bucks, but for now, I don't want to like do that. I see a lot of these are like within 4 hours and stuff. So I had planned for this to be like the first part, and then I would like film the second part in like a week or two, but who knows? Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe this video will go up on Tuesday. You'll find out, right? So, okay, the first one I see, do anything in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign 2020. Oh, there's a 2 days. Okay, so never mind. Okay, $5. What's that? Res, 2 days, revision, source file. Just, okay, I only need 1 images. Satisfaction and unlimited, well, we don't really need unlimited revisions because, okay, I think we're just gonna go with the $5 one. Yes, Chip. Hello. Okay, so we're just gonna pay now. So now we're going to in this photo. Please Photoshop my prosthetic Iron Man leg, Iron Man fake leg, go away, into a real one. Thanks. Little smiley face. Please Photoshop my prosthetic Iron Man fake leg into a real one. Thanks. Okay, done. First one is sent. Should be ready in 2 days. Okay, so that's the first one. So now we got that. Cool, cool. Okay, we're gonna go back to Photoshop. I'm so nervous for this. Do anything in Photoshop in 24 hours. Sweet, okay. So high level adjustments, contact me before order. I'm not gonna contact you before order. No revisions, so I don't really need a revision. So another, I don't want a Getty stock photo. So now I need to like pay attention. I think I'm only gonna hire like 3 or 4. And sorry, I'm not really doing like, I don't know. I'm just going with the first ones I see. I'll do more, maybe, who knows? If you wanna do more, like this video, go. Please, shoot, I forgot what I wrote for the first one. Make my prosthetic Iron Man fake leg into a real one. Yeah, into a real leg. Thanks. I feel like, why is this one shorter than the last one? Wow, I don't even know. Please make my prosthetic Iron Man fake leg into a real leg. Yes, okay. Done. Submit requirements. Okay, that's 2. Sweet. Okay, Photoshop. Okay, we already did that. No, we, okay, $10. We did that one. No, I want you to make my Iron Man leg into a real leg. I told you what to do. Man, he's gonna be like, what the Photoshop. So far, this is not going well. Do anything, oh, but that's like $100. I don't want to pay. With creative perspective for $250. All right. Edit and design anything in Photoshop in 2 hours. Okay. Please contact before ordering. Why does everyone want contact before ordering? Just do it. Okay. Please make my prosthetic Iron Man leg. No. Iron Man fake leg into a real one. Am I not like making it clear what I want? Thanks. No, I want you to make it into a real one. I don't think that one's gonna go very well. Okay. Submit. Is that 3? How much have I spent on this? Want you to turn my Iron Man leg into a real leg. That way in the photo I have 2 real legs. Okay, so that's 3. I think we'll do 1 more because I honestly don't have high hopes for this. I will be posting this on my Instagram as well. Did I hire him? Do professional Photoshop editing work within 4 hours. All you need is love. No, I didn't do this one. Okay. Sample edit. God, do I want to print? I don't want to pay. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go. VIP support. You have no level, but you have 5-star. He was very responsive. Enjoy quickly. Okay, you know what? This will be the last one and the most expensive. So let's do it. Oh my God, this is it. I don't spend a lot of, well, I spend a lot of money, but I don't spend a lot of money. Please, shoot, what did I even say? I can't even remember. Please turn my prosthetic Iron Man fake leg into a real leg so that in the picture I have 2 real legs. There we go. That's what I should have been adding. Dang it. You live and you learn. Okay, please turn my prosthetic into real legs. On the picture I have 2 real legs, thanks. Okay, dang it, that's what I should have been doing. Okay, That's just my siblings. Okay, submit requirements. And that is it. Okay, so I ordered 4. And I think we're gonna call it quits there. I know. I want 2 real legs in the photo. To turn the Iron Man leg into a real leg. That might not work out. Okay, well, I'll keep it on just to see how this is going. Or I'll just let y'all know. Hopefully it works. Okay, we're gonna turn this off, stop recording, and we're gonna switch this back around. So we will see how this goes. I don't really know if I have high hopes for this, and I don't know if it's because of like, I didn't spend that much money. So maybe I'll do another video if you guys want of like where I spend more money, but then also like I don't have more money, so how am I supposed to make, I don't know. Anyways, I'll figure it out. But I guess I will see you guys when the photo is done and when I have all four, I did 4 again, and they're like ready. I'm not gonna look at them beforehand, and I'm so like nervous. I've never ever seen myself with 2 real legs, obviously, since I've never had one. So it's to me like interesting to like, oh man, that's the cat box. So we have like an automatic cat box and it like cleans itself, and it's going to town. It's like nice, except when Chip uses the bathroom when I'm trying to film a video. Then you hear the cat box in the bathroom, background. Okay, so anyways, I will see you guys for part 2 of this video later on. So here we go. Like that transition. Okay, now we're doing it for real. And we're back with part 2, which was literally like 2 seconds, or not even 2 seconds. So I have all the photos back. I actually got them back like the next day or Sunday, but I was like busy, and then I was like, ooh, should I do it on Monday? And then I was like, no, I don't want to. So we're here a week later, and I'm ready to see the photos. I obviously didn't pay too much for them, so I don't really have high hopes. And the one that you saw in like part 1, and like the guy was messaging me, I don't really think he knew what I was like trying to ask, and so I think I might get like 3 legs or something. So I'm excited to see. I haven't seen any of them, and I've been like waiting so long to like see it and just like do it. So now we're gonna like see it, and I'm like nervous. I like want it to turn out well, but also like I just don't have high hopes for this, and I don't know why. So we have the 4. So I'm gonna do the $5 one first. Okay, we're gonna see it. Okay, here's your delivery. I'm so nervous. Download and open. Save the files. Wait, is it a text document? What? Did I not even get anything? Wait, what? Wait, see it on Fiverr. Oh, wait. Oh shoot. Wow, this is like harder than I thought. Okay, well, there's no file. All right, well, that was a waste of $5. What the heck? Download and open. Save the files. I didn't know to go to my... All right, well, that was a waste of time. Wow. Yeah, I can't even see it. Okay, cool. Well, oh, damn, I gave him 5 stars. I didn't, like, look at it, so I just, like, gave them, like, a review or whatever. So, okay, that was a waste. Now we're gonna go to the $10 one. And, like, in the middle of this happening, they said that like his account no longer existed. So I don't know what's happening, but it might not load. Wow, this is like seriously a huge fail. It's not even loading. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here's your delivery. Whoa. Okay. Okay. That looks pretty good. So, I mean, first, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. You can definitely tell that like, yeah, you can kind of see like the outline of the leg. It looks trippy. And the leg, it looks like, you know, like when something doesn't have like enough water and it gets all like veiny, or like those like old people legs. It kind of looks like that. But I mean, better than the first one, which was pretty much non-existent. So yeah, it's weird. Okay. Okay. I'll give that. I have to see the others first before I can like rate it. Okay, so that was a $10 one. So do another $5 one. See how this goes. Okay. I mean, it's a little better. I don't know why my knee is turned out like that necessarily. That doesn't look super normal. Yeah, I don't think my knee turned out. But I mean, he did the best with what he had. Yeah, and it kind of goes out, if you can see that. Like, I don't know why my knee goes out like that. That's interesting. But I feel like this one, the other one was like, you can see like the like pixelation in it. So this one is a little bit better in like regards to that. So that's pretty cool. But why is my knee like, I don't think knees rotate like that. Unless I was like double jointed in my knee. Can you be double jointed in your knee? I don't even know. Okay. Well, with that, we have the big one, the $25 one. Let's see what he does. Okay. Wow, my leg is really skinny. That's really interesting. Okay. The knee is facing the right way though. So that's really good. And he gave me two things. So the first one, I do like it. I do think it's a little skinnier than I might have liked. And maybe that's because he just kind of put the skin over my prosthetic, which is skinnier than my leg technically. And two, okay, I don't see a difference. Okay, I will say I think this one is my favorite, despite it being a little on the skinny side. I mean, the knee does look better. I wish he would have made it the same size as my leg, but I'm honestly not mad at it, especially since it's like the best one, all things considered. So yeah, it's like weird to like see it and like just like think like, whoa, like that's what I could like potentially look like or would have looked like, you know, if I had two legs. And that's just, it's really bizarre. And you just kind of think of like, what kind of like life would I have lived? You know, how would it be different than the life I have now? It's so weird. That's so weird to like see it. And it's like, what? And then it's just trippy. Like I have two legs, but I don't have two legs, but I do. It's really weird. I like can't stop staring. Well, that was interesting. Okay, we're gonna stop. So overall, I definitely think the $25 one was the best one. I might do another one where I spend a little bit more coin, but for now, I think those were some really good comparisons. It's really weird to like see those photos just because like obviously like, you know, I grew up without a prosthetic anyway, so like this is all I've like known. And so it's weird to like think of kind of like what I might have missed out on if I had two legs, what I missed out on having one leg. And so it's like weird to like see those photos and like, you know, normal, or, you know, that's like their idea, or I guess my idea of normal. And it's just like, wow, like what? So that's what I would look like with two legs. And I'm like, whenever you want to grow back a little leg, I am ready. So yeah, that was it. Sorry if it was anticlimactic. I can't believe I got stiffed out of one photo. Rude. But anyways, I think this was an interesting experiment. I don't know. It just feels weird, like seeing it, you know? Like I just, ugh. Like now that like, I don't even know how to like describe it just because I'm like so not used to like seeing myself like that. And so it's just like weird to like see myself. I don't even know. But anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. What do you guys think of the photos? Do you think they did good? Do you think that that's what I'd really look like with two legs? I mean, I don't even know, man. I guess I'm gonna have to wait to get to heaven and then I'll have two legs and then I'll be like, oh yeah. Anyways, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this, or even weirder ones, even more boring ones. I don't even know. But anyways, hope you guys have a great week and I will see you guys next time. Peace.